In the previous video, we learnt about commutative property. Now let us check the associative property and distributive property. For associative property, I am not solving all the 4 properties. We are checking only for addition and multiplication. Okay. What is associative property? Again, for all A, B, C. Here we are taking 3 rational numbers. For all A, B, C belonging to set of rational numbers, A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Similarly, A into B into C equal to A into B into C. So, let us check LHS and RHS with examples here. First one, for addition, let A equal to 1 by 3, B equal to 2 by 5 and C equal to minus say 2 by 7. Okay. Now, check the property LHS. A plus B plus C. So, we are adding first what is in the bracket. Okay. So, second and third are added. Then that is added to the first one here. First one is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5 minus this plus into this minus will be minus 2 by 7. So, what is LCM of 5 and 7 first? Okay. LCM of 5 and 7 or again butterfly method. Better is butterfly method here. So, 1 by 3 as it is plus, I am writing here 1 by 3. This is 2 7s are 14, 5 2s are 10. 14, this plus as it is into bracket 5 7s are 35. 14 2s are 20, 14 minus 10 here. This is equal to 1 by 3 plus 14 minus 10 is 4 by 35. Now again try the butterfly method here. Now this is equal to 35 ones are 35, 4 3s are 12. What is 35 5s are? 35, sorry 3s are 35 3s are 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. So 105 here. 35 minus plus 12. The answer is how much here? 47 divided by 105. This is LHS. Same try for RHS. What is RHS? A plus B plus C. So first and second are added to the third one. Okay. This is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5 plus into minus, that is minus 2 by 7. Again butterfly, 5 1s are 5, 3 2s are 6. 5 plus 6 by 3 5s are 15. Minus 2 by 7 as it is. 5 plus 6, 11 by 15 minus 2 by 7. Again multiply. 11 7s are 77, 15 2s are 30. So it is minus this minus with this minus 77 minus 30 whole divided by 15 7s are 105. 77 minus 30 gives you 47 by 105. So what is the conclusion here? LHS is equal to the RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. When LHS and RHS are equal, it means that associative property holds good for rational numbers addition. Let us check one example for multiplication of associative property for multiplication. LHS. Let us take 3 values for A, B and C here. We can take even integers because integers are considered as rational numbers. So let us try one integer property only here. Okay. So minus 5. Minus 5 if I write, it will be minus 5 by 1. Okay. B equal to say 8 by 1. Yes. And C equal to say 2 by 5. These are all rational numbers only. Okay. Now A into B into C, LHS. A is minus 5 by 1 into 8 by 1 into 2 by 5. We cannot cancel anything here. So what is how to solve this then when we cannot cancel? We have to multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Now this is minus 5 by 1 into, this part is as it is, 8 2s are 16 divided by 5 1s are 5 here. Now can we cancel something? Yes, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5 here. This is minus 1 into 16 is minus 16 by 1 1s are 1 or simply minus 16. Now this is LHS. Try for RHS. Multiply the first two with the product, multiply the third one. Okay. So this is minus 5 by 1 into 8 by 1 into 2 by 5. Simply if you write without this 1 also, the value remains the same. Okay. Now this is minus 5 into 8 is minus 40. Even if you don't write 1 also, 1 remains as it is, into 2 by 5. Now what we can do here? This is 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40. That is equal to 8 2s are minus 16 by 1. It means that LHS and RHS are equal. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. When LHS and RHS are equal, it means that associative property of rational numbers for multiplication holds good here. Now let us check the third property, that is distributive property. Okay. Distributive property is a combination of two operations. It is a combination of multiplication also and addition also. Okay. So for all ABC belonging to set of rational numbers, A into B plus C equal to A into B. So what is outside the bracket has to be multiplied with both the variables inside the bracket. Okay. So A into B plus A into C. So A is multiplied with B, A is multiplied with C here. That is A into B and plus A into C here. So check the distributive property. Let us take three values again. Let A equal to 2 by 9, B equal to 1 by 5 and C equal to say minus 9. Okay. Now check LHS. A into B plus C. So first you have to add the two, then multiply with the outside bracket, because BODMAS rule, everywhere we are following it. So brackets has to be solved first. Okay. So this is equal to 2 by 9 into 1 by 5 minus 9 by 1. Okay. Now this is 2 by 9 as it is into butterfly. 1 1s are 1, 5 9s are 45. Okay. So 45, 1 minus 45 divided by 5 1s are 5 here. This is 2 by 9 into minus 44 by 5. Is it possible to cancel anywhere? Not possible. Okay, directly you have to multiply numerators and denominators here. 44 2s are minus 88 by 9 5s are 45. This is LHS. Now try RHS. A into B plus A into C. Okay. So what is A here? 2 by 9 into 1 by 5 plus 2 by 9 into minus 9 by 1 here. Okay. We can't cancel for the first anything here. Keep as it is. 2 1s are 2 by 9 5s are 45. Now here we can cancel. 9 1s are 9 1s are. Okay. 2 into minus 1 is minus 1 minus 2 divided by 1 1s are 1 here. Okay. Now what is LCM or butterfly again. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 45 twos are minus 90 here. Okay, this is equal to 45 ones are 45 denominator 2 minus 90. What is 2 minus 90? Big number has negative sign. 1 plus 1 minus, you have to subtract it. So 90 minus 2 is 88 with negative sign by 45. So we can see here LHS and RHS both are equal. When LHS and RHS both are equal, it means that the property is right property. It holds good for set of rational numbers. LHS equal to RHS.